For this episode of In the Kitchen, I'm going to be making a French onion soup, but I'm going to try to multiply the recipe by 8 times. First, you're going to want to make sure you have enough time to make this mega soup. No, literally, time. 4 teaspoons to be exact. Along with 1 cup of olive oil, 1 cup of balsamic vinegar, 8 bay leaves, 4 teaspoons of ground black pepper, and half a cup of salt. You're also going to need 24 large yellow onions, along with a whopping 16 cups of filtered water and 32 cups of vegetable broth. To start, I'm going to heat up half the olive oil and then add in all the onions, a third of the salt, and all of the pepper. I'm then going to cook the onions on medium-low heat for about 55 minutes until they caramelize. It's now time to add in the balsamic vinegar. Now cook for about 15 more minutes until absorbed. Now comes time to place your bets as to whether or not 48 cups of liquid will fit in this pot. Vegetable broth seems to just barely fit with 2 inches left. With 16 cups of water remaining, I'm not sure if we can make it.
It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit.
Sorry about that technical hitch. Now we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients and then bring to a boil. Additionally, you can make cheesy bread by spreading garlic juice on each slice, then adding oil, cheese, and putting it in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once having boiled for about 30 minutes, we are done and we can enjoy a nice warm bowl of French onion soup with cheesy bread. For FHS Studios, this has been Tyler Garofalo. Safe cooking, Flyers.